We'll guide you through how to adjust your HyperX QuadCast settings within Streamlabs to ensure your audio is perfect for your streams. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs on your computer and make sure your HyperX QuadCast microphone is properly connected. Next, go to the settings by clicking on the gear icon, typically found in the lower left corner of the Streamlabs interface. Once you're in the settings menu, navigate to the audio tab, which is usually listed on the left side. Here, you need to set your HyperX QuadCast as the default microphone. Look for the mic/auxiliary device drop-down menu and select HyperX QuadCast from the list. This ensures that Streamlabs captures your microphone input. Now, go back to the main Streamlabs window and click on the pause button under the Sources section to add a new source. Choose Audio Input Capture and click Add Source. Name your source if prompted, then select your HyperX QuadCast from the device drop-down list and click Done. This step adds your microphone as a source in your scene, which is crucial for capturing audio during your streams. To fine-tune your audio settings, go back to the Settings menu and navigate to the Advanced tab. Here, you can adjust the audio monitoring settings to listen to your microphone input through your headphones. Set the audio monitoring option to either monitor only or monitor and output depending on whether you want to hear yourself or just send the audio to your stream. Finally, make sure to check your audio levels by speaking into the microphone and watching the audio meter in Streamlabs. Aim for the levels to be in the green zone to avoid distortion. Adjust the gain on your HyperX QuadCast if necessary, using the knob on the microphone itself. And that's it. You have successfully set up and adjusted your HyperX QuadCast in Streamlabs for optimal streaming audio. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.